Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this quick and easy creamy tuna pasta salad. I'll start by cooking 170 grams of pasta in boiling salted water. I'm using a penne pasta, but any pasta will do for this. While the pasta's cooking, I'll chop into fine dice 1 small red onion. I've cut a 230 gram tin of tuna and allowed that to drain. So my pasta is fully cooked now, so I'll drain that off as well and allow it to get cold. Once the pasta is cold and dry, I'll mix in the red onions. I've also drained and added a small tin of sweet corn. Next I'll add the well-drained flake tuna. And here I'm making a mixture of mayonnaise and plain Greek yogurt. I'll add a pinch of white pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice. I'll give that a good mix together and mix it into the tuna pasta. And after giving it a good mix, it's ready to serve. And there it is, creamy, tasty tuna pasta salad. So filling and tasty, makes a great lunch. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.